All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. All right, in this part 39 video, we're going to continue to convert fractions into decimals and then decimals into percent. And here we got 3/4, or another way to say this is 3/4. And if you watched my last part, video 38, you understand that 1/4 is a quarter, plus another 1/4 is another quarter, plus another quarter, 1/4 gives you 3/4. So maybe using that information, can you guess what my decimal answer will be? And if not, that's fine. Just stick around. We're going to do it together. So 3/4 is also 3 divided by 4. Every fraction is a division problem, right? 3 divisor bar 4. Okay? We're going to show that invisible decimal to the right of the 3. Write as many zeros as we need to the right in order to finish the problem. Bring up that decimal to the top of the divisor bar. And then we're going to find our decimal value of 3/4. Hey, let's get to it. All right, well, I kind of gave it away, right? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. And 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents is 75 cents. So 3/4 is equal to 0.75, right? I kind of gave that away, but let's go through step by step what we're going to do, right? So we show the invisible decimal here. We raise it right above the divisor bar, okay, directly above the divisor bar. And then to the right of the decimal are as many zeros as you can write. In this particular problem, I wrote 4. I could have written 5. I could have written 3. And as you see, I could probably just kept 2, right? So what number times 4 will get me closest to 3? There are no numbers times 4 that will get me 3. So there's your invisible 0, if you look at it there. So let's focus on not 3, but 30, right? So 4 times what number, right above the 0 of the 30? 7 will get me closest to 30 without going over, right? I know 4 times 8 is 32. So 32 is larger than 30. That wouldn't work, okay? That wouldn't work at all. So 4 times 7 is 28. That's my product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. I'm going to subtract my product, 28, from 30. And again, I put that 7 right above the digit furthest to the right, which is my 0 in my target, 30. Okay? So 30 minus 28 gives me a remainder of 2. I'm going to take the next value in the digit to the right of 30. In this case is 0. I'm just going to bring it down. So now I have a 20. Well, right above that 0 for my target number of 20, I'm going to put the number, here it's 5, times 40, that gets me closest to 20. Well, 5 times 4 is 20, right? And so, since 20 is my target, to the furthest to the right is the 0 digit. Right above the divisor bar, right above that digit, I'm going to put that 5, okay? Now I'm going to subtract the product. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. I could bring this 0 down and I could keep going, but up here, all you would have is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'm going to stop, right? I'm going to stop. 3/4, or 3 divided by 4, is 0.75, or 75 cents. Okay? So we know that 3/4 is equal to 0.75. And we're going to convert that 0.75 into a percentage. Let's get her done. All right, so now you can see these three values are equivalent to each other. They're just written in different forms. In fraction form, 3/4, or 3/4, is equal to 0.75, or 75 cents. 3/4, 25 plus 25 plus 25, is 75 cents, right? 0.75. Now, if you want to convert this decimal into a percent, decimal into percent, you take the decimal value, you move it to the right 2 times, which is 75. add your percentage symbol, and there you go. So 3/4 is equal to 75 hundredths, or 0.75, or 75 cents as I like to say it, which is also equal to 75%. Again, you move the decimal 2 places to the right, you add your symbol, and now you have your percentage value. Hopefully this is making some sense. Stick around. In my part 40 video, I have some stop and pause, and you try to convert these fractions into decimals into percents. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.